Okay, in this video I'm going to go over a little short tip about the room separator. What I was doing is I was placing my rooms, and I came across one where I couldn't do it. For example, if I'm placing a room, it should automatically recognize the room itself as long as it's enclosed, whether it has doors or something like that. So in this room I have like openings here, so therefore it's not recognizing it as a closed room. So in this room that I'm having problems with, I've got a doorway and then overhead doors, door here. I've got a window louver that's in there, door, so it looks like all my openings are closed, but in reality it's not. So if I hit the room selector, it's not recognizing the room. It took me a little while to figure this out, what the issue was. What was happening was the engineer had issued the Revit model as precast walls, and rather than doing one continuous wall with joints in it, they made all of these precast panels individual walls. And so when we put our window louver in, it has to be hosted by the wall, and so with that window louver is hosted by this wall, but it's not by this wall. And so what I had to do was to make it cut this wall right here, is I had to go to an elevation view. So let's take a look at what's happening. When I look at this, here's my window louver spanning both walls, and if I look at this wall and then I did an edit profile, it's showing no cuts in it. It's because the louver or window is cutting that wall itself. However, since it's not hosted by this wall, it would not recognize it as cutting the wall, and so therefore I had to manually go in and cut the wall out, just to make the model act more correct. The problem with that is that now I've got a hole in my wall per se, and the room will not recognize it. So therefore what I had to do, a simple fix for that, is to just do the room selector, room separator, excuse me. Just take that point and that point, close it off, ignore the warning, and we can back up. And now if we try to select the room, it recognizes it as a room. Hope that helps you.